broken stud there. I'll center punch them and drill them out.
Okay.
Probably a 16th under 3/8.
Yeah.
And then I'll put new studs in.
Okay.
One that I done and two that were done. That's got it. Now this one. Now see if I got a small bit that's sharp enough to drill. Get a start here. Once I get in far enough, the drill bit will go through. There we are. We're through that broken stud now.
Okay.
So the next thing now is I'll drill, keep drilling up close to size. Okay, that one's done. Once those are cleaned out, if you put studs in and anti-seize and screw them in, and then use brass nuts, you won't have this kind of trouble.
Okay. Why brass?
They don't stick to the threads.
Okay.
There.
Okay, for sure that's it, the three?
Yeah, now I get upsized a bit.
Okay.
But
so what kind of bit are you using? Is there a specific brand, or is it...
I don't know what the brand is, but north of 53 sells them. They're top of the line bits.
Okay.
Butterfield is one of the best bits you can buy.
Okay. Between Dad working on the motor here, Steve's doing some light cleaning. He doesn't like dirty or grime either. Loves coming out to the shop. #1 man out here.
Where's your hat?
Top volunteer.
Take that toque off. Go and get your hat on.
Go get my hat on?
Yeah. Nope. I'm gonna have to try something else here.
Steve's one of the better volunteers that comes out here. He likes to come out and Dad takes him under his wing and teaches him about mechanicking here.
He's a fan of Johannesson fishing.
Yeah, got the hat on and everything.
Turn around, let the drill.
Hey, Ralph, how's it
There you
going?
go, buddy.
What do
Yeah.
you think of my new hat I got?
Oh, it looks good on you, man. The ladies will be lined up 10 deep.
Right on.